question number 8. Kinsay mas sakit mo istorya? Ang barkada or mama? Again, kinsay mas sakit mo istorya? Ang barkada or mama?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. For me, and for all my own experience, the harsh people that will actually say something to us is not our parents, it is our friends. Because our parents, principals, and what they said to us is for us as well, to make us better as a child and as a person. And for our friends, they will be there if you will be winning. They will be there if you are in your winning era. But if you lose, but if you break down in life, they will say harsh things to you, just like my own experience. I've been also discriminated to my closest friends since I was a child. We've been apart right now. I'm so sad for that because he is not happy for the success of I have. But then again, our friends might make things harsh from us, say something bad about us, but always remember that there's always our family who will uplift us, who will support us and cherish us as who we are and truly are. Because that is the most important thing in our life. We should embrace our mother, our sister, our father, because family is everything. Friends will fade in the future, but your family will last forever. Daghang salamat.